Hello, I'm Rohit, and this is my C++ program. This is about template and exception. This is the program I've written for the template. The thing is, in this question, we have to send the address of an array and the size of an array to the template function, and use that to sort the function and display them. We use template functions to do three different type of data types: int, double, and long here. Okay, this is the basic syntax for template function. Template class T, and T is the data type which we are going to send, and T will be initialized for the a function return type, and then these two are the arguments which I'll be passing to the function. The first one will be of T, because we don't know which data type we are going to pass then, and the second will be of size, because the size is always in. We initialized it with int, and then initially in the function I declared max v, which is of data type T, and then it is like the zeroth index element of the array is equals to that, and using a for loop function I sort it out, and I store them in max. Now in the main function I send, there are three different types of data types arrays. One is A4, which is of int type. These are the four elements. This address and the size of the array has been passed into this function, and B is double. This double values and the size of the values sent into that. Then C is long. This max, like the size and the data type, has been sent into that. Now let's see the compilation and running of this program. Okay. See, the max of this thing will be pointed out. See, after checking each and every value, the max value will be in the first index. So that value will be shown out using the return value here. Now for the exception program. See, this is a program I've written for the exception. In here, I declared a class of stack, and the top value is -1. Okay, I use this to simulate the pop stack functions in this exception program. Initially, there is a private variable which is of data type int, and its array of size 5. In the void function, there are two check things which I use it for exception, and these two are void push and void push, which are the basic commands of stack function. In the int main, I declared a variable ch, and then I asked the user to enter the element, like enter his choice using switch function. I choose, like, I initiate, I do the function is required to the user. In the case one, that is pushing function, first I call in the check one. I using try in inbuilt function, I call the check one here, which is of class. Then I check if the top is equals to 4, that is the max size of the array. If top is equals to 4, then I display the stack is full. The stack is full. Is thrown to the next through the catch function. Here the constant car pointer with I named it, the variable is error. Okay, the error will be displayed out to the out. Then break. Okay. Here there's a problem. 1 second. Okay. Now in the second case, it's try ob check 2. Then it checks for the second exception, that is if top is equals to -1, that is stack is empty, so we can't pop an out element. The stack is empty, string has is been thrown into the const catch. Here it's again constant car pointer error 2. This error 2 will be displayed out. Uh, Error 2 will be displayed out. Now, then, or else this pop function will be validated. Now let's see the running of it. Okay, now as you can see, the values are has been taken in. Let's check the pop function. Okay, the element pop is 23. Now let's check again the pop function. See, the stack is empty. It's showing an exception because there are no elements present in the pop in the stack. This is my exception function. This is my data C++ program exception template. Thank you.